How often do you skip breakfast or just opt for something on the go? Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, giving you the energy needed to get you going in the morning. At Herbalife Nutrition, our ideal breakfast is great tasting and full of nutrients. It requires little preparation and helps